Hello guys, this is ANDELI 520 DPL Pro. This is ground. It is magnetic and a positive for electrode, and I switch on. The machine choose MMA because I've used it previously, and the storage choose channel 9, which is 120 amp, and channel 0. If I click once, move to channel 0, which is MIG 40, and channel 1, which is cut, and then channel 2 is cold, weld, and channel 3 is MIG 2T. Then this is the adjustment for current, and then also the voltage change if I adjust the current. And I'll go back to the MA channel 6, which is 150 amp, channel 7 MIG 2, channel 9 back to MA 120 amp. So this is it. This ground wire is with magnet so that it's easy to stick, and I switch on and a quick try if there is good connectivity. That's it.